This is the email marketing email I made. Um, this is the email marketing segments. I don't have a customer yet, but I put my one other account, Gmail account, and this is my workflow. This is my workflow. This is my example workflow. Note, this is sample only. I will put extra effort when the customer needs my service. Thank you.